Welcome and thank you for listening to this Paragon Edge audio blog. In this episode, we talk about how the payments industry is addressing sustainability by reducing the environmental impact of payment cards, data centers, and ATM networks. We emphasize the growing role of digital payments, green initiatives, and regulatory pressure in driving financial institutions to adopt more eco-friendly practices. Over the past decade, the payment industry has made material progress toward transformation, delivering significant improvements in system speed and availability, as well as consumer choice and convenience. But what about sustainability initiatives? With environment, social, and governance, ESG programs getting renewed scrutiny from regulators, shareholders, and consumers, the environmental impact of payment operations is once again in the spotlight. Much of the conversation has focused on plastic card waste or carbon-neutral data centers, while one key lever remains largely overlooked: how we test our payment systems. By rethinking their payment testing strategies, infrastructure, and use cases, financial services companies have a real opportunity to optimize resource utilization, eliminate redundancies, reduce waste, and contribute meaningfully to sustainability goals, all while improving testing speed, accuracy, and security. Traditional testing environments, especially for payments, can be resource intensive. In addition to requiring extra computing resources, physical test lab space, and redundant test cycles, legacy and manual testing processes monopolize personnel time, burn extra power, and fill up data centers. Worse, when testing is inaccurate, incomplete, or inconsistent, it leads to issues and outages that require rework, overtime, and additional customer care, all of which consume extra and unnecessary energy and resources. A single failed release due to insufficient testing could mean failed consumer transactions, overnight patch teams redeployed across regions, and additional disputes and chargebacks. And while none of these items actually emit visible smoke, they all have measurable carbon footprints. Modern testing solutions that support automation help rebalance this equation. By virtualizing and automating payment testing environments and integrating the testing process into CI/CD workflows, organizations reduce the need for manual testing overhead, dedicated computing resources, and duplicated test runs. This improves operation efficiency, optimizes resource consumption, and uses less energy. Modern, web-based testing platforms like Paragon Web Fast Test can easily orchestrate and automate thousands of realistic payment test scenarios with minimal manual intervention. When paired with tools like Paragon's virtual ATM solution, institutions can also virtualize their ATM testing processes, enabling the expanded use of automation, remote access for testing and QA resources, and minimizing the environmental overhead of physical ATM test labs. Payment load testing is essential to verify performance under real-world demand, but not all load testing is equal. Inefficient test design or lack of automation can result in over-provisioned systems and unnecessary compute consumption. Efficient performance testing means right-sized test environments that replicate only what's needed, reusable scripts that avoid reinventing test logic with each release, and parallel simulations that reduce test cycle durations and resource drain. Paragon's ATM Cloud Testing Guide outlines how institutions can scale testing efficiently, improving reliability while reducing operational waste. While regulators are increasingly demanding operational resilience through legislated frameworks like DORA, many are also expanding their oversight into organizational and operational sustainability. Testing processes that improve speed, efficiency, and quality, as well as ESG targets, create a dual benefit: faster time to market with reduced infrastructure overhead and lower carbon impact through consolidated, cloud-based testing. By adopting smarter tools and strategies for payment testing, organizations can responsibly improve the reliability, availability, and scalability of their mission-critical payment systems. Digital transformation is often cited as a path to sustainability, but transformation without efficiency undermines that narrative. Testing must be recognized as a critically important business function that can enhance product quality, improve operational efficiency, and increase organizational agility, all while helping to meet corporate ESG goals. With trillions of transactions being processed every year across the globe, the payment industry must recognize the critical role it plays in building a more sustainable future. By embracing eco-friendly solutions, optimizing operations, and leveraging innovative technologies, the industry can contribute significantly to a greener planet while enhancing its own competitiveness and long-term success. Paragon offers payment testing tools and simulators that provide a range of innovative features and capabilities, including virtualization and multiple automation options, to help any payment industry participant improve the efficiency and sustainability of its testing operations. From our commitment to delivering timely, accurate test data and providing tools designed to support 24/7 testing environments, we aim to maximize the return on your testing investment, improving the availability, reliability, and security of your payment systems. Our team of industry experts is ready to learn more about your operations and provide guidance on why optimizing your testing capabilities is good for your business and the planet. If you're interested in hearing more about how Paragon can help your organization meet and exceed its sustainability targets, please contact us today. Thank you for listening today.